Hello everyone, today we watch an informational video about the new updates of the Mercedes GLC and C-Class 2025 models. We explore the assembly and production process of the C-Class model at the Mercedes-Benz factory in Germany. At the heart of this evolution is the new Mercedes-Benz User Experience Infotainment System, featuring cutting-edge 5G data transmission technology. This advancement not only ensures lightning-fast connectivity but also opens doors to a world of interactive entertainment. Whether it's streaming your favorite music in Dolby Atmos or engaging with third-party apps for video streaming, gaming, travel planning, or knowledge enrichment, the possibilities are endless. With the integration of artificial intelligence, the C-Class and GLC can adapt to your preferences like never before. Automated personalization allows for the seamless adjustment of convenience functions based on your habits and routines. Imagine your vehicle anticipating your needs on a chilly morning by preheating the seats or setting the perfect ambiance for a romantic evening drive. The introduction of digital vehicle keys brings a new level of ease to everyday life, allowing drivers to lock, unlock, and start their vehicles with compatible devices. Key-sharing functionality makes it effortless to grant access to family and friends, enhancing the overall ownership experience. The innovative body shop in Bremen. In the heart of Bremen, a revolution in automotive repair is taking place with the introduction of a groundbreaking facility dedicated to the production of the 206 series. Unlike traditional repair shops where body parts are manufactured on assembly lines, this new body shop represents a paradigm shift in flexibility and efficiency. At the core of this innovation are the versatile production cells known as cubes. These cubes can be dynamically combined to accommodate different models and transmission variants, allowing for the seamless production of vehicles just in sequence. This modular approach not only enhances flexibility but also optimizes production processes to meet evolving demands and customer preferences. Key to the operation of the new body shop are unmanned transportation systems that deliver parts on demand to the production cells. This streamlined logistics system ensures that components are precisely where they're needed, precisely when they're needed, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. With this state-of-the-art facility, the automotive industry is ushering in a new era of repair and manufacturing, one that prioritizes adaptability, efficiency, and precision. The Bremen Body Shop is not just a workshop, it's a testament to innovation and progress, setting the standard for the future of automotive repair. In collaboration with industrial robot manufacturer KUKA, Mercedes-Benz employs cutting-edge robotic welding technology to enhance the efficiency, accuracy, and quality of the welding process in vehicle production. Here's how KUKA robots are utilized in welding applications at the Bremen plant. KUKA robots equipped with welding arms are mounted on rails, allowing them to move seamlessly along the assembly line during the painting process. This automation enables automatic welding and assembly of body panels, ensuring precise alignment and seamless integration. KUKA robots are capable of welding faster and more accurately than human operators, leading to increased production productivity. By automating repetitive welding tasks, these robots contribute to shorter production cycles and higher output rates. The precision and consistency of welds produced by KUKA robots contribute to improved product quality. These robots can perform welds more accurately and evenly than humans, resulting in stronger and more durable joints that provide enhanced structural integrity and longevity. KUKA robots are utilized for spot welding applications, particularly in joining metal panels at various points across the car body. This ensures secure and reliable connections between components, contributing to the overall stability and safety of the vehicle. In addition to spot welding, KUKA robots are employed for long-line welding tasks, such as welding seams along car doors and hoods. These robots can precisely control the welding process to create uniform and aesthetically pleasing seams that meet the highest quality standards. KUKA robots are versatile and adaptable, capable of performing various welding techniques, including arc welding and laser welding. Arc welding utilizes electricity to generate high temperatures, while laser welding employs laser beams to achieve the same effect. Both methods are utilized based on the specific requirements of the welding application. The integration of KUKA robotic welding technology at the Mercedes-Benz Bremen plant represents a significant advancement in automotive manufacturing. By harnessing the speed, precision, and reliability of robotic welding systems, Mercedes-Benz ensures the production of vehicles that not only meet but exceed the highest standards of quality, durability, and craftsmanship. It's fascinating to learn about the intricacies of the paint process for the new Mercedes C-Class. With approximately 12 exterior color options available, it's evident that Mercedes-Benz prioritizes offering customers a wide range of choices to suit their preferences and tastes. The paint process itself is a meticulous endeavor, aimed at achieving not just aesthetic appeal but also durability and protection for the vehicle's exterior. Here's a breakdown of the typical layers involved. This initial layer serves as a smooth base for the paint, ensuring proper adhesion to the vehicle's surface and enhancing the overall finish quality. The main color of the car is applied in this layer. Customers can choose from a variety of colors to personalize their vehicle, ranging from classic shades to vibrant hues. To protect the base coat from scratches, fading, and damage caused by UV rays, a clear coat is applied as the final layer. This transparent layer adds depth and gloss to the paint finish, enhancing the overall appearance of the vehicle. Depending on the desired finish or special effects, additional layers may be applied to achieve specific aesthetic qualities. These could include metallic flakes, pearlescent pigments, or special texture coatings, among others. Each layer is carefully applied and cured to ensure optimal adhesion and durability. While the exact number of layers for the C-Class may vary depending on factors such as color choice and optional finishes, it's safe to assume that Mercedes-Benz utilizes a multi-layer system to achieve a durable, attractive, and long-lasting paint finish. This attention to detail underscores Mercedes-Benz's commitment to delivering vehicles of exceptional quality and craftsmanship, inside and out. At the Mercedes-Benz Bremen plant, the assembly process for the C-Class, alongside the GLC, GLC Coupe, and the EQC, showcases a harmonious integration of cutting-edge technology and meticulous craftsmanship. With over 70 stations revamped specifically for the 206 series, the assembly line epitomizes efficiency, flexibility, and precision engineering. Integral to the assembly process is the pre-assembly of integral supports, a critical step that lays the foundation for the vehicle's structural integrity. This involves the careful integration of key components to ensure optimal performance and safety standards are met. Concurrently, aggregate final assembly takes place, where essential powertrain components are meticulously installed to ensure seamless integration and optimal functionality. A notable highlight of the assembly line is the newly designed wetting station, a pivotal stage where various vehicle components are joined together with precision and accuracy. This stage exemplifies the culmination of advanced engineering and meticulous attention to detail, ensuring that every component fits seamlessly to create a cohesive and robust vehicle structure. Innovative automation technology plays a crucial role in streamlining the assembly process, particularly evident in the fully automated cockpit installation. Here, state-of-the-art robotics and advanced machinery work in concert to precisely install the vehicle's cockpit components with unparalleled speed and accuracy. This automation not only enhances efficiency but also ensures consistency and uniformity across every vehicle produced. Furthermore, the installation of the head-up display represents a paradigm shift in automotive technology, offering drivers a seamless and intuitive interface for accessing crucial information while maintaining focus on the road ahead. This sophisticated feature underscores Mercedes-Benz's commitment to incorporating cutting-edge innovations that enhance the driving experience and elevate safety standards. Finally, as vehicles approach the finish line, meticulous attention is given to every detail to ensure the highest quality standards are met. Rigorous inspections and quality checks are conducted to verify that each vehicle adheres to Mercedes-Benz's exacting standards for performance, reliability, and craftsmanship. The assembly process at the Mercedes-Benz Bremen plant is a testament to the brand's unwavering dedication to excellence and innovation. By leveraging advanced technology, precise engineering, and a commitment to quality, Mercedes-Benz continues to redefine the automotive industry's standards, setting new benchmarks for craftsmanship and sophistication with each vehicle produced.